Hello and welcome to a preview for Premiere 005. Today is Sunday the 20th, and I thought I would put this out as a premiere. I'm in the chat room. Hopefully Rose is in the chat room too. But you can post questions about anything you might have. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to run through the agenda for the Wednesday session. And going to set it up for two ways. We're um, going to set up the session on Wednesday to be a premiere. However, we're hoping that everything will go well and we can run it live. So you won't get the links probably until Wednesday early in the afternoon. So you'll either get a link for a premiere or a link for a live show following our traditional normal format. So unless communicated with Rose, this is what we're planning on doing. So I'll set it up for both. And keep your eyes open for a message. You'll get a link to either this premiere for the 23rd. What we'll be doing in that session, we'll do our 1-minute meditation as normal. And by now you should be feeling comfortable to do these 1-minute meditations on your own and maybe go for longer periods, 5, 10, whatever, 15 minutes. Do it whatever your comfort level is. We'll be soon going through the frequencies of the brain. And when we start doing that, which is our next introduction to meditation session, I'll give you a pretty detailed explanation of what happens as you slow down the frequencies of the brain through meditation. But on Wednesday, we're going to be doing part 3 of the left-right brain balance. And we'll continue that up. And I believe that should wrap up that section 4. Then we'll do our guided meditation, and I think I'll switch back to the color meditation, just for a change up. We will come back and do the body meditation again, but we'll do a couple sessions with the color. And I have a third guided meditation, a listening one. I don't have it recorded, so I'll have to make a recording up for that and make that available. Following our meditation, we're going to do the internal map of reality session 4, part 2 of filters. And filters are a big deal. So in this section, we're going to be talking about some specific filters and going into them in more detail. The exercise that we did following last Wednesday session was called Observing Your Filters. And I think I'll run this video again, but I will make it available prior to Wednesday for those who want to look at it and work on their observing and recognizing filters. And finally, our bonus topic, bonus 7, is again dealing with filters. I'm going to dig deeper into one specific filter, which is a major one, has many properties, which is the time filter. So we'll be doing this is a longer bonus one. Normally the bonus videos are only about 10 minutes long. This one is about 20, so it's about 20 minutes. And I got a little bit longer before I realized it. In any event, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So that's it for the agenda for next week. So as I mentioned, our plan is for Rose and I to do a live stream on Wednesday, the 23rd. But should that not happen, there will be a premiere available, and we'll run that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to play the meditation music for a while and to encourage anyone in the chat to ask questions and to do that. So I'll just put the meditation music back on now.